Hello, everyone. My name is Trent Meyer, and I'm excited to be back with you again today. I'm actually going to have a new face with me this time around. One of our lending officers here that you might talk with when you're calling in to do your transactions on the lending desk. His name is Derek Layton. Derek, it's good to have you with me.
Yeah, hey, thanks a lot, Trent. I'm glad you could have me.
Yeah, absolutely. It's going to be good. So this video, we're going to talk a lot about asset growth and trends that we're seeing, and then we're going to give you a little insight into some of our products that you can use to fund some of those things. And with asset growth, we've got a lot of PPP lending that's inflating members' balance sheets. We've actually seen total asset growth since Q2 of 2019 of over 17%, but just in the last quarter, we had 11% growth. So it's very clear that PPP loans are inflating those balance sheets and are causing some of the more significant growth in assets. But even when we break out some of these asset classes and look at them on an individual basis, we're still seeing growth. We're still seeing growth in a variety of different categories. As you can see on the screen, securities, we've had over 8% growth year over year. That's pretty significant, even considering the low yields that we're seeing on securities right now. But then you look at the loan portfolio a little more specifically, and 1 to 4 family, 7.5% growth over the last year. Commercial real estate, a little over 8%. And then you've got the ag real estate down there. There's slight growth there, which is to be expected. There's not a whole lot of demand for ag real estate anymore, but 2.2%. The other reason that we're seeing such a lower percentage of growth in that area is there is a lot of competition out there. We've got the farm credits of the world that you're competing with to get some of those loans. And so that does make it a little more difficult. But, with that being said, we've actually got Derek with us today. He's an expert on some of these things, some of this funding using FHLB products. And Derek, can you walk us through a little bit on why our members have been choosing Federal Home Loan Bank as their wholesale funding source to fund some of this asset growth?
Yeah, for sure, Trent. The first thing I kind of want to point out is that it is awesome that we're still seeing the growth, even with all the difficult times. The COVID-19 virus has caused all of us. But a couple of the main reasons a lot of our members love using us and use us is because our availability and our customizability. We pride ourselves on getting the funding to our members, within, as little as short as a couple minutes, 5 minutes. We can get you that funding very quick. And a couple of products we have, such as our amortizing advances, we can pretty much set those up to match fund with the loans that you're giving out on your side. That way you don't have to worry about any of the transactional costs or anything like that. And a couple other products we have our line of credit, which of course is our most popular product. You can borrow, one day, keep it outstanding however long as you want. And then we have even a more exotic product, such as our forward selling advances, which allow you to lock in, today's low rates. And you can have that fund anywhere between 5 and 2 years from now. So that is a great product to have if you have any future funding needs that you see coming up.
Yeah, definitely. That's the best part about partnering with Federal Home Loan Bank is the customizability and the wide array of products that we offer. As Derek alluded to, so many options out there. And one of the other things is rate. I mean, we're very competitive on rate. We compare ourselves to wholesale funding sources all the time, and competition wise and comparing those rates to each other, we're right in the ballpark. And one of the big reasons for that is our dividend. And we pay 5.5% on Class B dividend right now. You're required to purchase 4.5% when you take down an advance. And so we say it roughly takes about 20 basis points off the all-in cost of using Federal Home Loan Bank advances as your funding source. And so with that, the goal of this video wasn't to get too in depth with you. We really just wanted to touch the tip of the icebergs on a few of these topics and discuss asset growth trends with you, show you what's going on in that area, and then also how you can fund some of that with the Federal Home Loan Bank. Now, if you want to learn more about these products, you want to learn more about these strategies, Derek and I are actually going to be hosting a webinar coming up. Derek, can you talk to him a little bit about what's going to be in that webinar?
Yeah, for sure, Trent. So first thing, so that webinar is going to take place August 25th and August 26th. And kind of what we're going to do is we are going to break down, all of the advanced products we have a little more detail, because I'm sure you guys have some questions on them. So we'll break down and go into details on how each type of those advanced products will be able to help you.
Yeah, it's going to be great. He's going to talk through some of those advanced products and the details of them. And I'm going to walk you through some specific strategies on how you can better compete with competition that's out there, especially like those farm credits if you're looking for ag loans, and lock in some good spreads. So we're excited to have you. If you join us, it's going to be August 25th and 26th, like Derek mentioned. So please join us if you can. Otherwise, it's all we've got for you today. Derek, thank you for joining me, man. It's been great.
Yeah, of course. Well, thanks for having me, Trent. I look forward to seeing all you on the 25th and the 26th.
Yep, definitely. We'll be there, and everybody enjoy the rest of your week, and please stay safe out there.